Hi there, this is Andrei from SnoopyIndustries, and today I'm going to show you how to use our latest builder. If the email you've just bought doesn't yet work on our builder, have a bit of patience. We're working on implementing every email on our latest builder, but obviously it will take a bit. Okay, so basically right after purchasing the template, you will want to come in here and start editing your content. It's pretty straightforward, but I want to just go through a few of these things because we've had some questions coming in, and I want to make sure that everybody knows what they're supposed to do. So starting at the top, we have a preview mode. If you click this, you will be automatically taken to the preview of email. Also, you can view the mobile version in the preview. And also we have a couple of back and forth buttons which will help you to undo or redo some of your moves. Then we have the actual email, which of course features a lot of ways to customize it. To begin with, we have these buttons to the left. Basically, the first one allows you to move the content up and down the page if you want things ordered in a different way. The second one allows you to add a background color to any section. Basically, if you want to style it in any other way, you basically have unlimited colors over here and could get really creative. And the third button allows you to input a background image. In order to use this third button, you have to make sure you have the URL for that background image. So basically you need to either grab the URL from somewhere on the internet, or make sure to upload it somewhere. It can also be your Facebook page, it doesn't matter, but it needs to be online. To the right of the email, we'll have the duplicate and hide buttons. If you click duplicate, that's pretty straightforward, and if you click hide, you then get an option to show or remove your block. However, if you click remove, there's no way of getting it back, so you will have to hit undo if you really want that back, or if you're too far ahead and can't undo that much, you will have to probably start from scratch, unfortunately. But we did have to offer an option to get rid of some of the blocks, because not everybody wants everything in here. Then getting to the actual email block content, each image, including the logo and everything, has an edit button which will allow you to place a link for that image. Once again, it can be even Facebook, but it needs to be uploaded somewhere, and you need to grab that link and paste it here. Then link URL refers to the place where people will be taken to after clicking your logo or your image. So for an instance, if you want somebody to click on this image and I don't know, go to your website, simply insert the image URL and then www.mydomain.com. Hit save, and now, as you can see in the bottom left of the screen, there's the URL right there. Okay, now moving on, you can also edit any block of text, and it's just like it is in Word. You can bold the text, you can change a few font sizes, a few font styles, and so on and so forth. So you can really get creative with this also. Simply add some new content and hit save, and it's gonna be in here. Of course, you will have to work on making sure things look great even after you do your edits. Same goes for the button text. Unfortunately, there has been no way of actually putting the button color right here on the edit, so we will present what you can do with the layout when we get to our options panel. Okay, so basically that's pretty much everything you need to do in order to build your layout. And then make sure to go to save first. Try saving your layout. Hit the save button, and there will be a code generated. Make sure to save that code somewhere in your computer, or even write it down, and then you can load it by inserting it here and waiting for a few seconds while it's loading. Okay, then you can start optimizing and styling your new email. There are a bunch of ways to style it right here. I'm not going to go in everything, but basically you need to make sure that you try each one of these and see what happens once you modify them. So this first one, for example, takes care of the main color of the template. As you can see, this thin bar up here is being changed. The red buttons are now green, and so on. For example, the second button can be edited by going to button 2 background color. Here you go. Okay. And so on. You can always go through this and just try each and every one. There's nothing you can break. You can always go back and undo your move. You can change the text color, make it a black or whatever else color you want. It can be blue, it can be whatever. And you can of course modify the color by going into the source code here if you're a bit more advanced with your coding. Okay, basically after finishing the layout and styling it properly, you will need to export it. In order to export it, you will need to insert a purchase code. In order to do this, please go to our Facebook, our ThemeForest item, hit support, and down here you will have a frequently asked questions table. You can find where can I purchase code, where can I get the purchase code from, sorry, and if you hit this link you will be taken to this Envato support article which explains exactly what you need to do in order to get your purchase code. Simply do that and get the purchase code, then insert it here, hit download, and you should be good to go.